Hey everyone, in this video, let's compare Monica with Cider. In order to do so, let's start here at monica.im, and this is where you can come to add the Monica extension to Chrome. And if you go to cider.ai, you'll find that you can add the extension to Chrome as well. And Cider and Monica do something very similar. So if we go up here to our extensions, which I have installed, here we'll go ahead and click on Monica. And you can see that what this does is it actually has this sidebar that's built in as an extension, and you can use it to chat with multiple different chatbots. We click on this here, then you can see all of the different chatbots that you have available to you. So this is a really great way of being able to compare responses. If we take a look at Cider, then we'll see that Cider is very much similar. And you might wonder, what is the difference? What is the significant difference between the two of them? Well, I went ahead and asked AI in order to get some more insight. And what I got was this. So Monica AI and Cider are both AI tools designed to assist users with various tasks, but they differ in their approach and features. Monica AI emphasizes user experience and offers customizable features, while Cider focuses on functionalities and provides a wide array of tools for writing and research directly on any website. Monica is known for its customizable modules and add-ins, which cater to specific user needs. It includes features like text-to-speech, auto-translate languages, live chat, and web traffic reporting. On the other hand, Cider is praised for its comprehensive set of tools that assist users in both reading and writing tasks, featuring translation, grammar checking, and customizable prompts, all within a convenient sidebar interface. While Monica AI supports web-based and on-premises deployment, Cider is also suitable for web-based and on-premises deployment, ensuring compatibility with various devices. In terms of user satisfaction, Cider has over 32,000 five-star ratings and 4 million active users, indicating high user satisfaction and reliability. Monica AI, however, has faced criticism for its declining performance and poor customer support, with users reporting frustration with the tool's functionality and the difficulty in obtaining refunds. Both tools offer unique strengths suited to different user needs. Monica AI may be better for users prioritizing a simple interface with essential writing capabilities, while Cider is an excellent choice for those seeking a comprehensive web assistant that enhances both reading and writing. So that gives you an idea of what you can expect from Monica and from Cider. They both seem to be doing similar things, but when it comes to just the overall user satisfaction, it does appear that Cider seems to edge out Monica. So go ahead and do some research, see if there's one that appeals to you over the other. As far as I'm concerned, I think Cider might be the one that I'm leaning towards just based on the reviews. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.